Good day and good morning mga ka-investors. Nandito muli tayo sa Glades Prestige. So makikita nyo dito sa likod ko ay mga lot area ay available. Pero for this video, papakita po namin sa inyo is the model house unit. Woo! So before we show you the model house unit, don't forget to please like and subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell to be updated with my post. So, come, let's go to the first house. Ayan, for this model unit, Rossini, if we show it, meron siyang 160 square meters, 3 bedroom, dalawang toilet and bathroom, isang powder room, maid's room with the toilet and bathroom, balcony, space for an eye, and 2 carports. Optional po siya. So papakita lang, bawal po muna makapasok sa loob. So papakita lang po natin sa labas ang 2 carports. So pagkakita nyo dito, itong entrance. And dito po pagkakasya ang dalawang kotse. Isa, tas dalawa. Alright, on to the next model house unit. So we're just gonna show you outside of the second house unit, which is the Vivaldi. So Vivaldi has a livable area of 130 square meters, 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bathroom, family room, powder room, maid's room with toilet and bathroom, a space for lanai, 2 carports, and also a balcony, which you can also construct. So this is the example for the model house unit. So right now there's someone occupying, so we really can't show you inside, but we'll show you in the sooner or the upcoming videos. All right. For our last model house unit, we will show you the chop-in. So if we zoom here, yeah. So si chop-in has a livable area of 113 square meters, 3 bedroom, 2 toilet and bathroom, powder room, maid's room with toilet and bathroom, space for lanai, and 2 carports, which is dito makikita natin ang 2 carports in this area, and also here. So anyway, mga ka-investors, how do you like the tour? Please leave a comment down below, and if you're interested to invest, please leave a message or directly message me in my Viber, in my Facebook, in my Instagram, anywhere in my page. Alright, so till I see you again mga ka-investor, skadoosh!